Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Platinum credit card, what is it and how to apply. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So what is the Emirates Islamic Amazon Platinum credit card? The Amazon Platinum credit card from Emirates Islamic Bank is a lifetime free MasterCard credit card designed especially for shoppers, especially on Amazon.The and everyday spending. You earn Amazon reward points which act like a cashback on your purchases with higher rates for Amazon purchases. There is no annual membership fee and free for life. So in order to know more about it, simply head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar, type in Emirates Amazon Platinum credit card apply. Then once your search result loads, simply click on the link that says Amazon Platinum credit card and then click on it. Then once you click on it, you will be transferred to the Emirates Islamic card page. Then once you scroll down, you'll find the key benefits of the Platinum card as well. You'll get key rewards and earnings like welcome bonus up to AED 750 in Amazon reward points. You can spend AED 10,000 within the first 60 days of card issuance to qualify. Prime members get AED 750 worth of reward points and non-Prime members get AED 300. You can also get lifestyle and additional benefits, as the card also includes several extra perks like for entertainment and lifestyle. You can get up to 2 buy one get one free real cinema tickets per month with minimum monthly spend requirement, and travel privileges like complimentary airport lounge access up to 4 visits per year via MasterCard Travel Plus with qualifying spend, and 1 complimentary food or beverage item at Costa at Dubai airports, and discount and travel options. First, you may receive discounts on car rentals, Make My Trip flight or hotel bookings, and Booking.com credits when paying with Amazon Platinum card. You can also add supplementary cards for family members, and reward points for their spending still count toward your primary account earnings as well. In order to apply, you will need 85,000 plus to qualify for the Platinum version. This card is ideal if your income is below the threshold for World Variant, where the requirement is higher. In order to apply it, what you need to do is simply click on this Apply Now button right here, or simply scroll to the top and you'll find Amazon Platinum credit card right here. Click on this Apply Now button. Then once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the Amazon website to begin your application. And once you're inside the Amazon page, you'll find Amazon credit card right here. Simply click on Apply Now. And now you'll be prompted to sign in with your email ID or the Amazon ID. Then all you gotta do is enter in your email, then enter your password and sign in. And once you're signed in, what you need to do now is enter your personal details and upload required documents like your ID, passport, and salary proof. And once done, simply tap on submit or click on submit to submit the application online. You can also go to the EI Plus mobile app by simply logging into the EI mobile banking app, then tapping on the cards, then select apply new credit card and choose Amazon Platinum credit card. Or you can simply visit the nearest Emirates Islamic Bank branch with your Emirates ID, password, salary certificate and bank statements to apply in person as well. So who is this card best for? This card is best for frequent Amazon shoppers, especially if you are a Prime member, people who want high rewards on online and international spending, and those who want a lifetime free card with lifestyle perks like movies and airport lounges. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.